Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting the GTO together. Been a super long time. Time has finally come. So let's get this thing together. Okay guys, so we have some work to do. We're gonna put up all these plastics back up. We're gonna do the insulation back onto the hood. Just some miscellaneous thing, get the intake on. We also got the headlights. I don't know if you guys seen the headlights yet, but here they are, pretty clean. We wanted to go for the black and basically inside the headlight to be black, and hopefully they'll look nice. Look at that. So let's get to work. Today we are going to be working on putting the GTO together. As you've seen in the last video, the car is painted. It's ready to get put together. But like always, there's always surprises when you're building cars. Something breaks that's unexpected. So first we got to change the radiator. We did put a new or a used radiator that seemed like it was in good shape. It was working fine for a while. And then the car was running and I noticed that it was leaking antifreeze. So I went ahead, checked it out. One of the side plastic pieces has a crack in it. So I just went ahead, ordered a new radiator, and let's put it in. All right, so here's the new radiator. Let's see what we got. Looks like this one. We won't be needing those because that's for automatic transmission. Those are in good shape. So the radiator looks like it's in good shape. Now it's time to get this old one out of here. This should be fun. All right, so here's what we got. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's see. There's a crack. Starting like up here, going all the way down to here. You can see where it's wet. So, time to put the new one in. It wasn't too bad. Had to take the intake off, undo one of the AC lines. Condenser still staying in there. So let's get it back in there. The radiator is in. Everything's hooked up. time to fill up the antifreeze. So we got our funnel, straightener, just in case there's garbage in this antifreeze. It'll keep most of the dirt out of it and start pouring it in. So here's the antifreeze I'm using. Dex Cool 4GM. Now we'll just let it warm up. See, to make sure it won't overheat. And hopefully everything goes good.
Okay guys, so the GTO is finally done. Super excited. I mean, this is the first car we rebuild on our channel, and it's basically done. The front end is all together. It's basically done. There's gonna be one more part to the GTO build, so stay tuned for that. Let's take a look around. The car is basically all, like I said, all done. There's a couple things that we need to do. The headlights are in. The bumper is on, so all I'm going to show you guys, we're still going to do a final video on this thing showing more detail. If you guys like this build, comment below, let us know what you guys thought about it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.